Good morning, students. Last lecture we are discussing the topics amines. In this topic, first of all we see the classification of amine, and next we see the IUPAC nomenclature of the amines. Now today's lecture we are discussing about the preparation of amines. Preparation of amines. So, amines are prepared by the different methods, by the different ways. First method we see, that is ammonolysis of alkyl halide. Ammonolysis of alkyl halide. So when one of the compounds it is reacts with the ammonia, that process is known as the ammonolysis. So alkyl halide, it is a reacts with ammonia. Alkyl halide reacts with ammonia to forms the amine. But here, when here we use the ammonia in excess, then this reaction it is not stop at the first stage, that is in the primary amine is not formed. When we use the ammonia in excess, here we get the final product is the quaternary ammonium salt, and this reaction is carried out in a sealed tube, that is a sealed tube at the 373 Kelvin temperature. So at this temperature means nearly about 100 degrees Celsius, this reaction is carried out, and then the alkyl halide is converted into ammonia molecule. So we see that this reaction, that is RH, that is alkyl halide reacts with ammonia. That is here we use alkylic ammonia when used in excess. When ammonia is used in excess. So here there is a first, it is a simply nucleophilic substitution reaction. This reaction is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. That is a X minus means halogen atom of alkyl halide. It is replaced by NH2 minus, that is also one of the nucleophile, and so here it is called as the nucleophilic substitution reaction. X is replaced by NH2, so here it is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Simply in this reaction is a removal of HX, means one hydrogen of ammonia and one halogen atom, so removal of HX with the formation of RNH2, that is here we obtain the primary amine. So when here we use the excess ammonia, reaction is not stopped at this stage, because here this primary amine, it is a further reacts with the ammonia, excess ammonia. Then again there is a formation of R and H and R, means there is a formation of secondary amine with the removal of HX. And again here it is used with the ammonia, secondary amine, it is reacts with the ammonia. There is a formation of R and R, that is a formation of tertiary amine. Formation of tertiary amine with the removal of again H here. That is a removal of the, when it is reacts with the secondary amine, and secondary amine is again reacts with the ammonia, there is a formation of tertiary amine. Okay, and tertiary amine, this molecule here again reacts with the ammonia. Here there is a formation of, that is a R and R and R, that is a excess. So here we use the alkyl halide in excess. Ammonia is not used in excess, that is a alkyl halide is used in the excess form. Alkyl halide is used in the excess form. Okay, so there is a formation of first, that is a formation of primary amine. Then again it is reacts with the second molecule of alkyl halide. Then again removal of HX, and there is a formation of secondary amine. Secondary amine again reacts with the alkyl halide, third molecule of alkyl halide. There is a removal of again HX, removal of HX and formation of tertiary amine, and again it is reacts with the now fourth molecule of alkyl halide. Then there is a formation of here NX minus. So there is a formation of here, this called as the quaternary ammonium salt. That is known as the quaternary ammonium salt. So primary amine, when it is used with in the excess ammonia, there is excess alkyl. So primary amine is converted into secondary amine. Secondary amine is converted into tertiary amine, and tertiary amine is converted into quaternary salt. So it is a very simple reaction, that is a formation of primary amine of the formation of the secondary or tertiary amine. When here we use the alkyl in the excess. जर आपण alkyl excess मध्ये जर यूज नाही केला तर only alkyl reacts with the ammonia molecule. Reaction is stopped at this stage and it only forms the primary amine. And when used in the excess alkyl here we find what is the alkyl. For example, we see that is a CH3Br. Suppose methyl bromide. Methyl bromide reacts with the ammonia. Reacts with the ammonia. So simply in this reaction is the formation of CH3 and NH2, that is methylamine and plus HBr. And when here we use the methyl bromide in excess form, then our final product is the quaternary salt. जर आपण excess use केला तर final product काय असणार आहे? Quaternary salt, that is the CH3 and CH3, CH3 and CH3 plus and Br minus. And the name of this quaternary salt is tetramethyl ammonium bromide. Okay, tetramethyl ammonium bromide. So the reactivity of the alkyl halide towards the ammonolysis is, that is a alkyl iodide is more reactive than alkyl bromide, and it is more reactive than alkyl chloride. So this is the reactivity order for the ammonolysis of alkyl halides. Okay, so by this method, in this method here we prepare the either primary amine or also here we prepare the quaternary ammonium salt by this ammonolysis process. Okay, so this is the first method. Now we see second method. Now we see the second method for the formation of ammonia amines is reduction of nitro compounds. Second method is the reduction of nitro compounds. So nitro compound means NO2 group. So NO2 group, this is converted into NH2 group. Means NO2 कन्वर्जन NH2 मध्ये करायचं असेल तर NO2 मध्ये काय ऑक्सिजन आहे, म्हणजे आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, ऑक्सिजन रिमूव्ह करायचं आहे आणि त्याच्याऐवजी हायड्रोजन ऍड करायचं आहे. मीन्स NO2 कन्वर्ट्स इनटू NH2. रिप्लेसिंग ऑफ द NO2 इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू NH2 ग्रुप, दॅट इज अ अमाइन ग्रुप. म्हणजे इथला रिमूव्हल ऑफ ऑक्सिजन अँड ॲडिशन ऑफ हायड्रोजन इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज रिडक्शन. This is also known as the reduction. Removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen is known as the reduction. So when the nitro compound undergoes a reduction in the presence of different types of reducing reagent, not only one reagent, different reagent are reduces nitro group, and this nitro group, that is NO2 group, it is converted into NH2, that is the primary amine group. So here NO2 च conversion NH2 मध्ये होतं, म्हणजे nitro group it is gives only and only primary amine. Is that clear? Here we not obtain the secondary or the tertiary or the quaternary, only and only primary amine is obtained by the reduction of nitro compound. So there is simple reaction C, that is R-NO2, that is this nitro compound undergoes reduction in the presence of nascent hydrogen, convert into RNH2. Means nitro compounds also this compound is known as the nitroalkanes. त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण, nitro alkane. This nitro alkane it is converted into amine, that is here we obtain the primary amine. So the reduction of this nitro compound into NH2 group, it is a possible, this reduction is possible in the presence of different reducing reagent. That means here this reduction is possible in the presence of, that is a reducing agent, is a also called as the metal, mixture of metal and acid. Mixture of metal and acid. For example, Sn and SeL. It is in the presence of tin. That is also known as tin when reacts with the HCl. When tin reacts with HCl, so here it forms SnCl2. That is the stannous chloride is formed. This SnCl2 is known as the stannous chloride, and with the formation of two molecules of nascent hydrogen. Two molecules of nascent hydrogen is formed here. Okay, so the reduction is possible. That is, हे जे दोन hydrogen produce झाले, this hydrogen play the role of reduction. Our nascent hydrogen काय करतो? Formation of this nascent hydrogen here it is a rapidly reduces NO2 group to the NH2 group. म्हणजे NO2 चं conversion कशामध्ये करतो तो NH2 group मध्ये करतो. So this nascent hydrogen it is produced either by the reaction of that is in the presence of tin ह्या tin in HCl घ्या किंवा either तुम्ही Fe घ्या Fe in HCl घेतलं काय किंवा आणखी झिंक घेतलं काय झिंक in HCl. So zinc also produce the ZnCl, that is zinc chloride, and with the loss of or the formation of nascent hydrogen. FeHCl again it forms the FeCl3, that is ferric chloride, with the formation of nascent hydrogen. And this nascent hydrogen form it reduces the nitro group to the amine. Means in the presence of metal plus acid mixture. First reducing reagent here we use metal plus acid. That mixture it reduces NO2 to NH2 group. Also here we use the another reducing agent, most important, famous, popular reducing agent, जे आपण काय करतो generally use करतो, तो म्हणजे आहे ranitidine, right? So either here we use the ranitidine as a reducing agent, or here we also use the platinum or palladium. Palladium, platinum, or the ranitidine is also reduces the nitro group into NH2 group. Okay, or also here we use the another most important famous strong reducing reagent, that is LiAlH4, lithium aluminium hydride. So this lithium aluminium hydride is also reduces NO2 group to the NH2 group, and there is a formation of NO2 group, that is nitro compound is converted into primary amine. म्हणजे बघा either metal plus acid mixture तुम्ही यूज करू शकताय किंवा simple metals यूज करा, nickel, palladium किंवा platinum वापरा किंवा strong reducing agent LiAlH4 वापरा. In the presence of all this reducing reagent, in the presence of all this reducing reagent, here the NO2 group converted into NH2 group, and here we obtain the corresponding amine. Okay, so this is the example. This is the example. First example, that is CH3, CH2, and NO2. Nitroethane. The name of this compound is called as the nitroethane. So nitroethane undergoes reduction in the presence of nascent hydrogen, and in the presence of either here we use the reagent different. कुठलाही एक वापरा तुम्ही, सगळेच एका वेळेस वापरायची गरज नाही. In the presence of any types of this reducing reagent, here there is a formation of CH3, CH2, and NH2 corresponding amine भेटला. म्हणजे nitroethane is converted into ethanamine, either ethylamine म्हणा किंवा ethanamine is the IUPAC name. Ethylamine common name and ethanamine is IUPAC name. With the loss of twice H2O, the byproduct in this reaction is the twice H2O. means इथले जे दोन ऑक्सिजन, इथले दोन हायड्रोजन काय करणार था, ऑक्सिजन रिमूव्ह होऊन दोन हायड्रोजन इथे ऍड झाले अमाइन ग्रुप मध्ये. ठीक आहे, आणि राहिलेले 4 हायड्रोजन and 2 oxygen, 4 hydrogen plus 2 oxygen, formation of twice H2O, that is a water molecule is formed here. Okay, so again this is another example. For example, CH3, CH, CH3 and NO2. Suppose here we take the secondary nitro compound, that is the isopropyl. It is also known as the name of this compound, isopropyl nitro compound, and the IUPAC name of this compound is nitro 2-nitropropane. Here it is known as the 1, 2, 3 means 2-nitropropane. So this 2-nitropropane undergoes reduction in the presence of suppose SN and in the presence of HCl. Okay, so there is a formation of CH3, CH, CH3 and NH2. So NO2 group is converted into NH2 group. So here we obtain the isopropylamine किंवा propane 2 amine. Isopropylamine भेटते किंवा propane 2 amine with the loss of twice H2O. With the loss of twice H2O. Okay, so here this is the simple second reaction. That is the second method. Very easy and simple method for the reduction of nitro compounds. म्हणजे अगदी सिंपल बघा. नायट्रो कंपाऊंड घ्यायचा कुठलाही एखाद्या आरपी मध्ये म्हणजे राऊंड पावडर फ्लास्क मध्ये तो पोर केला जातो. त्याच्यामध्ये एसएन आणि एचसीएल पोर केलं आणि रिफ्लक्सला लावलं की तर काय होतं आपल्याला अमाइन रिफ्लेक्सिंग केलं म्हणजे काय आपल्याला वॉटर जे तयार होते वॉटर इन द वेपर्स फॉर्म निघून जातात ते आणि आपल्याला प्रोडक्ट भेटतो तो म्हणजे प्रायमरी अमाइन इज ऑब्टेन्ड हियर. ओके, सो दिस इज द व्हेरी सिंपल अँड इझी मेथड. दिस इज द सेकंड मेथड फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अमाइन्स. It is a reduction of nitro compounds. Now again we see the next third method for the preparation of amine is the reduction of cyanide. Reduction of cyanide, alkyl cyanides. Either alkane nitriles म्हणा किंवा alkyl cyanides. So when cyanide group CN undergoes reduction, CN is converted into CH2 and H2. CN group चा म्हणजे cyanide group चा जर reduction झालं तर cyanide group it undergoes reduction, it converts into CH2 and H2. So there is a formation of again primary amine is obtained by the reduction of alkyl cyanide. So this reduction is a takes place. See, very simple. R dash C triple bond N. That is alkyl cyanide undergoes reduction. Again here there is a formation of nascent hydrogen, and now this nascent hydrogen it is formed by either sodium in ethanol C2H5OH. So alcohol is also the very volatile solvent, and the hydrogen of alcohol is easily replaced by the metal. That means when it is reacts with the metal, here is formation of sodium ethoxide with the formation of nascent hydrogen. इथला hydrogen remove होतो आणि इथे तयार काय होतं sodium ethoxide molecule. So again when the metal is reacts with the alcohol, it produces the hydrogen, that is nascent hydrogen. So this is the very simple reaction. Means in the presence of sodium in alcohol, it produces the nascent hydrogen, or also here we use the most important famous reducing agent is the LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, so when the four molecules of nascent hydrogen reacts with the alkyl halide, दोन हायड्रोजन या कार्बनला दोन हायड्रोजन या नायट्रोजनला म्हणजे काय होणार? व्हेरी सिंपल रिएक्शन आहे. काय होणार आहे? इट इज अ सिम्पली ॲडिशन रिएक्शन. ॲडिशन टाइप ऑफ द रिएक्शन. फर्स्ट नेसेंट हायड्रोजन जर ॲड झाला, एक हायड्रोजन या कार्बनला, एक हायड्रोजन या कार्बनला नायट्रोजनला, आणि ट्रिपलचं कन्वर्जन कशामध्ये होणार आहे? डबल बॉन्ड मध्ये. आणि फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आर CH डबल बॉन्ड NH, and that function is called the imine. फंक्शन कुठला तयार होतो? इमाइन. आणि नंतर फर्दर दोन हायड्रोजन ऍड झाले की अगेन काय होणार आहे? इथं डबल बॉन्डचं कन्वर्जन सिंगल बॉन्ड मध्ये, आणि RCH2 and NH2. सो देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इमाइन इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू अमाइन. इमाइनचं कन्वर्जन कशामध्ये होतं? अमाइन मध्ये. म्हणजे सायनाइडचं कन्वर्जन आधी ट्रिपल बॉन्ड इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू डबल बॉन्ड, and डबल बॉन्ड इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू सिंगल बॉन्ड. Addition of 2 and 2, it is a 4 hydrogen. So when 4 nitrogen hydrogen produce, it reduces the alkyl cyanide group and it is a formation of R CH2 and NH2. So there is a formation of again primary amine. Okay, mechanism of this reaction is not important for us because here we directly write on the product of this reaction. So this is some example. For example, CH3C triple bond and CH3CN acetonitrile, either methyl cyanide मिथाइल सायनाइड म्हणा किंवा इथेन नायट्राइड म्हणलं तर 2 कार्बन्स इथेन नायट्राइड मिथाइल सायनाइड किंवा एसिटोनाइट्राइड. ओके, so this is the any name of this compound here we take, and when it is reacts with undergoes reduction in the presence of sodium in alcohol. Okay, so there is a formation of, that is very simple, CH3 CH2 and NH2. So there is a formation of ethanamine. Formation of ethanamine, ethanamine or ethanamine. And this type of the reduction, that is a reduction of cyanide in the presence of sodium in alcohol to forms the primary amine. This reaction or this reduction is known as the Mendes reduction. This reaction is known as Mendes reduction reaction. This reaction is known as the Mendes reduction reaction for the formation of primary amines from the alkyl cyanide. Okay, so this is known as the Mendes reduction. कुठलाही cyanide group means CN group is converted into CH2NH2. Mendes reduction म्हणजे आता CN चा कन्वर्जन CH2NH2 मध्ये होतो. म्हणजे लक्षात येतं आपल्याला इथं की CN चे कन्वर्जन CH2NH2 मध्ये झाले म्हणजे 2 हायड्रोजन इथं कार्बनला 2 हायड्रोजन नायट्रोजन कार्बन तर 4 हायड्रोजन प्रोड्यूस झाले म्हणजे इथं काय करायचे आपल्याला 4 नेसेंट हायड्रोजन लिहायचे. ठीक आहे, आणि कशापासून मिळतं आपल्याला इन द प्रेझेन्स ऑफ सोडियम इन अल्कोहोल प्रोड्यूस नेसेंट हायड्रोजन which reduces the cyanide group into the primary amine group. Okay, fine. Now we see the next fourth reduction method. Okay, now we see the fourth reduction method is the by reduction of amines. By reduction of amines. So when amides undergoes reduction, amide म्हणजे काय फंक्शन आपल्याला अगेन व्हेरी सिंपल. amide म्हणजे की C डबल बॉन्ड O NH2 CONH2 हा त्याला amide फंक्शन होतो. तर याचा आपण कन्वर्जन लाईक द Mendes रिडक्शन त्याच्या सर्कल्स CONH2 चं कन्वर्जन कशामध्ये होतं CH2NH2 मध्ये. म्हणजे इथला ऑक्सिजन रिमूव्ह होतो, रिमूव्हल ऑफ ऑक्सिजन ऍडिशन ऑफ हायड्रोजन नोन ॲज रिडक्शन. It is known as the reduction. Okay, so this reduction, that is a reduction of amide to forms primary amine. So we see this reaction R C double bond O NH2, that is amide. Amide undergoes reduction to forms R CH2 and NH2, that is it is converted into primary amine. Amide is converted into primary amine, and this reduction is also possible in the presence of same reducing agent. म्हणजे मगाशी जो आपण Mendes reduction मध्ये जो reagent वापरला either sodium in alcohol, sodium in ethanol or LiAlH4. This is the very important functional group. It is LiAlH4. It reduces the all functional group. All functional groups काय करते तो reduction करते LiAlH4. Okay. So here again it produces the 4 nascent hydrogen which reduces the amide group into the primary amine group. Okay. So this is the example. For example, CH3, C double bond O and NH2. The name of this amide is the acetamide. So when acetamide, it is a undergoes reduction in the presence of sodium in ethanol, or in the presence of LiAlH4. So here there is a formation of CH3, CH2 and NH2. So there is a formation of acetamide is converted into primary amine again with the loss of H2O molecule. The loss of H2O. That is here the formation of 4 nascent hydrogen. 2 hydrogen atoms goes to this carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atom plus oxygen. That is the removal of only one water molecule. Okay. Next. CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O and NH2, butanamide. This is called as the butanamide. So when butanamide undergoes a reduction in the presence of, that is, nascent hydrogen, which is obtained from sodium ethanol, or also in the presence of LiAlH4. Also in the presence of LiAlH4. So here is the formation of butanamide. It is converted into CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and NH2. So here the name of this compound is N-butylamine. Yes, common name of this amine, primary amine, is the N-butylamine or butane-1-amine. Butane-1-amine is the IUPAC name of this amine. Okay, so here by this different method, first method आपण बघितली ती म्हणजे ammonolysis of alkyl halide to produce the primary amine, or next is the reduction of either nitro compounds or reduction of alkyl cyanide or the reduction of amides. So cyanide, amide or the nitro compound, it reduces to the only and only forms primary amine. In this method here we not obtain the secondary or tertiary. आपल्याला फक्त आणि फक्त या रिडक्शन मेथडनं म्हणजे नायट्रो कंपाऊंडचं असेल, अल्किल सायनाइडचं असेल किंवा अमाइडचं असेल, याचं रिडक्शन केल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय भेटतं? ओनली अँड ओनली प्रायमरी अमाइड्स. ओके, सो देर इज अ 2 methods are remaining for the methods of preparation of primary amine. Very most important named reactions or the most important synthesis for the primary amines जे आहे ती म्हणजे एक आहे गॅबिल थॅलामाइड सिंथेसिस रिएक्शन and second is the Hoffman degradation reaction. So these 2 methods we see in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.